So today we are reviewing the new HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro. It is the new king of smartphones. This HUAWEI flagship has received several accolades globally and witnessed a growing local demand from users to get their hands on it. It sets new standards in every area, from aesthetic design to hardware engineering and software innovation. The HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro on the surface is strong, luxurious and beautiful, with every inch of it polished and gleaming. Mate 30 Pro comes with features horizon display. These are curved edges that wrap around the sides at almost 90 degrees, making the display stand out. The screen has bezels on both sides, but you won't feel them most of the time. There are no physical volume rockers on HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro. To activate volume control, you need to double tap on the edges of the screen just above the power button. On the back, HUAWEI replaced the square camera module of the Mate 20 series with a round one. The polished halo around the cameras gives us a nostalgic feel by reminding us of professional cameras. The bottom of the phone houses the USB-C port, a speaker, and then the hybrid SIM card or a memory card tray. HUAWEI announced the online registration of interest in the UAE to get a chance to buy one in black or space silver at a price of 3,599 dirhams. For a review, we have a space silver with us. HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro has a 6.53 inches AMOLED screen with Gorilla Glass 6 and Horizon display. The screen is sharp, it's got vibrant colors and a crisp display. The top notch is narrow, and it is the most sophisticated notch in smartphones yet, which hosts 32 megapixel selfie camera, depth sensor, gesture, proximity and ambient light sensor. The phone also has under the display a fingerprint scanner. Both the fingerprint scanner and face recognition work impressively fast. HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro has a feature-rich specs list with everything you could wish for. It's powered by the Kirin 990 processor with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage, and the world's first 16-core Mali G76 GPU. The super performance with Kirin 990 makes HUAWEI's most sophisticated smartphone chipset launched to date. It is designed to bring impressively elevated performance, energy efficiency, AI capabilities, and photography, offering better experiences to a more extensive group of smartphone users. The best thing about HUAWEI phones is the battery life, and the Mate 30 Pro continues this trend of excellent multi-day battery life. The combination of Full HD Plus resolution and a 4,500 mAh capacity seems to negate any effects the waterfall display has on the battery life. As a result, you can expect solid 2-day battery life with medium usage, and it can easily survive a whole day of really intensive usage. Additionally, the HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro provides an upgraded reverse wireless charging, which brings users a quick and convenient way to recharge other devices. The HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro has the most comprehensive and versatile camera on a smartphone right now. The phone sports two 40-megapixel lenses, which include the 40-megapixel Cine Camera, 40-megapixel Super Sensing Camera, 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom and 3D depth sensing camera. In well-lit conditions, the Mate 30 Pro performs exceptionally. Pictures have excellent dynamic range even without HDR. Details are well preserved and noise levels are kept in check even in low light, thanks to the capabilities of the new Kirin 990 chipset. Mate 30 Pro has the best night mode so far, unlike many other flagship smartphones. It doesn't force you into a different mode to shoot excellent low-light images, and when you do fire up the dedicated night mode, it captures unreal dynamic range. HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro's video quality impresses across lighting conditions, and it beats other smartphones hands down thanks to world's first smartphone with dedicated 40-megapixel Super Sensing Cine Camera that rivals high-end cameras. There's also unbeatable 6,680 frames per second slow-motion capture at 720p, an excellent camera trick for social media lovers. The front camera captures selfies at a sharp 32 megapixel or video at 1080p or 30 frames per second. Photo quality is great and works exceptionally well in portrait mode. The HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro is one of the most capable handsets for smartphone photography and videography available to consumers right now. The Mate 30 Pro is Huawei's most sophisticated smartphone chipset launched to date, and the phone flies through anything you can throw at it and continues the excellent legacy of previous Kirin devices. Huawei Mate 30 Pro comes with Huawei EMUI 10, which uses different open source codes, including Android open source project. The new Huawei Mate 30 Pro does not pre-install Google mobile services, and users will be able to download and enjoy the applications from the Huawei App Gallery pre-installed in the device. EMUI 10 operating system has some really cool features such as AI Private View. With this feature activated, the phone can identify the user's face and automatically hide message content when it detects more than one face. Also, one of the best new feature is the phone's take on auto rotation. This doesn't just use the phone's gyro like other handsets, but also the front-facing face detection array to figure out which way you're looking at the phone. Tilt your head 90 degrees in either direction and your apps will follow you. Huawei Mate 30 Pro comes with Air Gestures function, becoming the company's first smartphone with the feature. Here we have steps to enable the Air Gestures featured on without touching the screen. One can easily enable the feature from settings. The Air Gestures on Mate 30 Pro allows users to take screenshots and scroll without actually touching the device. To enable Air Gestures features on Huawei Mate 30 Pro, firstly, unlock your phone screen. Launch the Settings app, select Accessibility Features, and then Shortcuts and Gestures. Tap on Air Gestures. Enable the Air Scroll and Grab Shot gestures, and it's done. So, in an overall verdict, Huawei Mate 30 Pro has it all. Super performance with Kirin 990, super videography like never seen before with world's first smartphone with dedicated 40-megapixel Cine Camera, super battery life, and more. It is a perfect gadget for those who want to have a powerful smartphone and willing to take a few simple extra steps to set up the device up to their day-to-day use. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.